Guys, it's Rajveer here. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Make Money Online with Rajveer. If you want to learn how to make money online, then make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on notification because I'm going to upload videos about how to make money online regularly. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money with Clickbank without even spending a dime. So it's very easy, believe me. You can start it today without spending a dollar. Let's start without wasting your time. First, head over to Google. Search for Clickbank. Click on this link. Here, sign up. So you can see that it's 100% free to join. So here you can see, is it available in your country or no? So fill out your information here and then continue to term and conditions and then join Clickbank. So I already have an account. So let me log in. Okay. Here is the affiliate marketplace. You have to go there to look at the products. So here you can see that here are a lot of products you can promote. E-business and e-marketing, computers, and health and fitness. That is the best niche. And so because my niche is about how to make money online, so I'm going to e-business and e-marketing. So here are all the products you can promote. So let's sort results by gravity. What does gravity means? That product is really good and you can actually promote that product. So here you can see that it's 244.19 because it's a really good product. And so let's go to get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. You can promote this product. So this one is an affiliate page. So if you go here, you can get all your tools here. Okay, so let's see your landing pages. You have to create on whichever like Clickfunnels or Get Response. So here are your landing pages and your email swipes. Here are your email swipes. So these are your affiliate tools. Okay, so let's start with this one. Okay, where is here is. Okay, so this is the amount you will get paid if anybody will buy through your link. So means 36.88 for one user. So it's a really good amount. So click on promote. You have to put your nickname here. Okay, then you will get your affiliate link. This one is your affiliate link. So copy it and then head over to canva.com. So this is a free tool. You can create templates here. Okay, so let's Pinterest pins. Okay, so here are all the Pinterest pins. Let's look at a good pin that you can use. Okay, so let's get this one. Okay. So these are social media jobs, means you have to create a your pin related to social media jobs. Okay. Okay. Let's see. How to become a social media manager how to become a social media manager. First, then head over to Pinterest first. Here, search for keywords, because this is a search engine like Google, so you have to look at keywords. So how to become a social media manager. Okay, how to become a social media manager. So how to become a social media manager. Make money online. And in the pin you have to put your domain or website name. So here put your website. Marketingcore.com. Okay, so click this. So you can change the color here. Okay, so this one, change the color of this one too. Black. Okay, so here you can change the picture. So take element, so laptop. So here are the pictures you can change here. Here, okay. Then download. It should be PNG. So download. Okay, so head over to Pinterest, then create pin. So upload. Here, write the title, how to become a social media manager. Okay, so here you need to write the description. So you have to write the keywords in this description too. Can become a social media manager and earn and make money online by working from home. Earn money online. So here you can add your affiliate link. Oh, I'm so sorry. Not here, here. Here you can add your affiliate link. And then if you want to post immediately, then you can post here. If you want to publish at later date, then you can do it here. Then here you have to create a board and then publish. So that's it. So if you want to learn how to make money online, more tips about it, then subscribe to my channel. That's it. Goodbye.